Yes, sana yako baby fufro. Henry asa tuchum enchechemu no enie.
Yes, I can confirm that. Sayedua, even I think second day no crowd ono di kind contempt e come make sure say obe block any avenue bia obi tin dan soro wo e dan bi esi park na chia so on the office crowd obi timi hu bia echo so or park na so I think that it's about being proactive. But say one oba enche, two around this time all the teams are losing omo person omo hu dia echo so nti possible say obi crowd these guys no abegina also a student and also I am just a fan of football. But who they are telling the cocos or they record or whatever is recording. Into the first 2 days was a bit difficult because the pitch is very open. Ura campus after business school no offer business school next year Obeko School of Communications. Usani School of Communications pe nifaso and a football pitch no and a been so here on basketball court. Wow. And a basketball court na indoor. What I say your father be money alcohol and a ura so offices any staff offices ne coaching offices any gym no so will be from it very active and there are even outsiders are almost students but omutia to go and use the gym facility. Okay,
enti I'm so ready in chechemu no emu da hopa Henry a church na den mu ye also concerns are coach Carlos Grace Erezi baby a training which is American University no as a two public to do bia students or more mutwa muni at the public no bia etimi ba and so no the modern game na ye bono spies betimi about obi kura betimi adan so a student no abegino ni ade e ba sa team preparation ni ade no or tactics ade bebo game ni ade no it affects it into opebe bia Black Stars betimi aye training na nipa dodo na enya kwan entimi enhwe omo enti no Kasa CCA team no move to a DC United training facility ho and now training but officially baby FIFA the mayen ankasa which is a branch university or Rhode Island hono or there according to Henry Asante Chumno was on the 12th of June and a team no ebeko ho na omo akwaku training and 10th na say 2 days time no omo training awo DC United training facility ho na they will move to the official training facility now FIFA Ediamai, which is a branch university. Any information according to Henry Asante Chumno, or also Diamaya Yenya Yawagana. Memfa we need so now for me Bawa na baby a person dear Shasi Fribiano. Also the Ashas 7 tornado Appiah. And so Akasa Kakrana Sinapia said the Yentin Kakrana fee. Who's going to win
the world?
Okay. I will. I mean, football of today, we can, because we have seen a lot of surprises. It's not like years back when, if Argentina is playing Togo, we say that, Argentina will beat Togo 8-0. Today, it's not like that anymore. So anything can happen, but it's all about how you want the game. Yeah. Because if you go and then you behave as if we don't want it, there will be a lot of surprises. So you have to take a match after match though, but any match you have to make sure that I have to get something out of.
Okay, any Steven Tornado Appiah. Now utie Steven Appiah na some the okan ni tintin ni tietia enina and say or say and then prempe ball na ye bono. Enye me Argentina. Enye me Spain mo players na hwan. Or say enne ye ndina na hu say your co-work up and I co tournament. Ubon say team obia ensure the need gide omuno. Otimisha big team ebi ono kra na nipa dodo na predict so betimi agejumede ndi asim na so. It was boys no omunni. So ata so omunya sa gide no omu say look ebia Ghana underdogs. Aye ko England no ni ade but say ya yiri ya ho nko ade a in a made ni ebetwa bibi and so abo yen games na ebetimi abon Michael Essien and so dia kakra na afei yemfa and to also say Black Stars team no World Cup won better Michael Essien as you did now for Yemfa and to also
World Cup predictions Golden Boot.
I want to say Haaland, but it depends how far Norway can go, so probably I'll go for Mbappe.
Golden Glove.
Neuer.
Surprise package.
Ghana.
Who's gonna underachieve?
That's hard to say. Yeah.
Where are England gonna finish?
I mean, so far as Ghana can beat them, they can go as far as.
It's got to get past Ghana first, yeah.
Yes.
Who's gonna win the World Cup?
Papa or film waiting bo. Maintain consistently, and sorry I was go key no be a halad, but it depends on baby on any mind but it looks like Kylian Mbappe because of France. And now also team or GD so bet me a surprise if we are singing will be Ghana. And on business so na England so no say England no my catch them say Ghana be show mo. So enti my class no say as our World Cup na yakwa Ghana about the surprise package. Looks like I say ye create to krum ha no. Yen sheda ni GD wo team but ono so tie no she Ghana team na ofusi be ya de pa enso abo eye World Cup no enso ase enema mienu a 7 tornado Appiah ene Michael Essien akan die na the current players betimi the inspiration no betimi a fair film going forward a bra World Cup no enso ase nyame ado mo chere Jude me cha ase fi
Rich medase which unim area so hu ade bia nipa obeye ana wo ya betimi ayaye ni yi aye akọ anim die ehia first wa wunya gidie ni arehemu wa wu ade very key very paramount say ubinya sai gidie no ene arehemu wo mu na gidie nso no what the bachelor say mu kra na bible ne be catch us say so wo gidie abetia aka kire mepompo se ontutu na obetutu senya me so oboye se nisu ene ne seso ene o ka kire se so wo gidie a betimi kra ka kire mepo se ontutu nkogunsum obetutu rich de ka kire oni se wo ye bibia no anya gidie a wontimi nye so I'm happy
gidie no enough enough
but say we no the almost about gidie which the entia omo emphasis abaso amani agene say dodo na edi entim nachi ye Ghana phone I said dodo na ni gidie
it's because of your result
yes even ye nuanom nsantwe phone po no dodo na eni gidie based on your results yenya from AFCON and say we cried the last one you cried sorry the upcoming one cried and sorry the last one rather yankobi and ushe sa na mani nyina no cry ba kope ugidie be perform kakra coupled with the fact say one of our finest talent and him say ye World Cup no and come for be hwe nanim Mohamed Kudus ono so enye available so ofane e mana o ka se wo analyze yenya salisu so ofa sa na e mana definitely gidie be perform kakra. By rich football wo enye da bia de open na unya nanso bibia ye possible with football a team sport esan say a team sport intino say ye adwene say rich ye de honhom ba ko ne akoma kro na ye adwene so say ye kwa die for each other ni asan so adie for the nation Ghana rich adena enye possible say betimi upset your man for. Maybe I see 2006 World Cup. Do Italy eshe by Ngui and when mas. Now man for Christ so you need Italy crowd on boy 5-6 so be kaya. Particularly a sanso call AFCON and also group stage 9 year free mono. See a bear crank as our World Cup men yanko. Against the Czech Republic near ranking is second best in the world though. Yeah check here no. US that time near ranking 8th best in the world. US NTV and share. Rich. Yemra 2010. Na mamfo ni GDA sa si ebetimi akwa do the quarter final stage. After 2006 you call the next round no. You side by 2010 say call quarter final.
But Jude, with the examples I was citing in the 2006, 2010, whatever, no. Look at the quality. She players now yen disposal aside the quality no na your team and your individual keko your team
yes not collectively yes
but so the tutu ene dey ho a aside say yen team no individually no players no performance no shedan send this couple with injuries said the na wan kasa wo kan tiku yenya no yenya salisu yeah star boy Kudus Mohammed yenya no
yes
couple with result answer Emma into DNA Bema Ghana ni bi anya rehemu say ana even so onya Ghana ni ana journalist obenya rehemu say look World Cup ya ye koi omusa football upset ni ade wo mu de den be me nya sorry mu ni say World Cup we go de be yade
rich tier 1 see ye na say dabio team na enye say aprat to crowd ye gitum say e wo fom but rich nim offer individuals me kai wo at a point o okay say Kamal Dean Sulemana na ye rate players are no mutimi successful dribbles about 3 seasons ago okay say na okan no ne Neymar and na was bracket and that's one of the hottest talent in Europe until Appiah Ebem no na Nhyira ka ho
ni na ye result
na me remfio rich Thomas Taipate say enye ne problems yi na aba na ye rank we are na midfielders almost ra patem pacho no nkan
ba say na me no na agitum say the party that ye nim no Atletico Madrid Arsenal no it's not the party you hu see
because psychologically he's going through a lot but me make say utie your individual talent ebi wo ho Yentum say yes, we may have our problems. Ye feel say as a team, said your person who near money hui. But my impression so say I say your form so crass, I say your form bar. But him your point no handman. Ye ni form sound so crass. And there is a money GDN no was say ye deck account keke. Rich World Cup I Coco boy, the last World Cup I koi. Okay. Morocco and of course semi-final stage of the competition. One in Spain and here. So who the idea Spain?
The idea Portugal.
Who the idea Portugal? Morocco no GDA can rich. Na obia nim se Morocco ebe ko World Cup could do semi-finals.
Aside there no more players.
Yeah, me titum say no more players, but rich me bo. One who a crystal ball, who a crystal ball say Morocco be could do semi-finals. Obia ye GDA can. Enti asem na here can rich. We need to encourage the boys. Say encourage you omo no na ade akrake to akra gire mu a esan say wama no sa encouraging words no e quite a long way to help the person ye di to man can for statistically even in our group ye can favorite to qualify hu ye nim but rich say odi gidie na ye things right ye nya bibia right football no 90 minutes na ye ball pitch ne so ye sa say at any point in the game bibia timi si ade bitimi si ma results e dane man ye It's no man my no other international full say clubs, national teams invested so much else the psychological department of the game. Say GDN idea kiambacho psychologists there no ye. Or the idea say utrim, idea untimi nya no, and I only so untimi nya. Or the best so utrim amwaye. Meboa. Enya no ntina. E do feel say that aspect of the game no say who yanka investment be kumpa. Enya no ntia. Enti na wose ye my boys let here say look most of you stars in your own right football no 11-11 na kwakwakwo then the chese muntimi nye Kamal Dean Sulemana say at a point now okay Europe omo successful dribbles no a part of that category and maka NS Nhyira so talent or they back on board talk of Thomas Taipate ye nim the level and established star ye nim you betime Antoine Semenyo and EPL yeah, can Obon Man City.
And he's doing very
well. In fact, City leg na City leg na nanka origin. Nanko play Kira at a point na City. Haaland mun na available.
On kana FA Cup no more. He won the FA Cup.
Exactly. And my impression say ye jitum yenim. Say anyama nko ye.
Ba ye gia hu dia.
Ba ye gia hu dia.
Na
say ye technical team ni so nya anyama right ah.
Ye betimi aya.
Ye betimi aya de.
Ala brem kaka na. Ye betimi abi lines na. Gidie no kwan enough.
Which Tornado Appiah ho. Oye Blasters Management Committee Vice Chairman. Ejikade na nka beso kan. If not to encourage the team. Na me be yadi bi. I don't enye controversial but uncomfortable. I don't think there will be Ghanaian football fans who will raise issue just because ye catch who say ye nyagidie. Say we a football fan gidi. Na what problem we say ebi a tornado akoshia Ghana players no say omunya mu gidie say ebetima ye bibi now we problem with it a kwan bi so no ye hypocrite and I'll tell you why. Rich yeti kromwa ana Chelsea akọ FIFA Club World Cup nena muku kwa sasa the moment they got to the medal zone no after Chelsea for you ye gidi say team no enye team papa bia but ye gidi say betimi age proud to the final against Paris Saint-Germain ase obi a oye champions of Europe Chelsea for so ye gidi betimi show they didn't say they had a quality team say Paris Saint-Germain but almost omo gidi say ometimi aye they beat them Omubesia this season in the Champions League. Kofo say the FIFA Club World Cup na munya mutidi di mo a. Afede o masa hyiam do metia yam. Omo say ya show mo ho no. Yes abe show mo. Southam na Chelsea form na atikokra but they had belief so mbehye. Even when Chelsea were beaten in the first leg. Second leg no. We still had Chelsea fans.
Omo say ombo over 10 score line no.
Ne nyegidie. Was it out of it was out of GDA keke. They believe so Bibia betime say football. Meeting Barcelona. We lost to Atletico Madrid in the first leg. But we had Ghanaian Barcelona fans. No so mo GDA say ya ba ko romantada.
Mushia Atletico Madrid. The kind of result that especially some mukomukromu one metropolitan
eba se no be say we fie and yes you gide se kwakọ yo mefrem o
gide no amount for fan from mono mo matches am bo wonder
and am say eba se no be say na match e bon wonder last season ya no mu nyi mfiri in the Copa del Rey no mu nyi over 2 less every Copa no was I show first leg of Champions League we still had GDA the basis of my argument in the say why will you believe in Chelsea even when you know all the odds are against your Chelsea who would GDA almost obey or club no you believe in Real Madrid hey Real Madrid Champions League you be show mo until say ube film no you make argument but obia no abaka bibia betia say wo team Real Madrid would do well o Chelsea o Barcelona o Liverpool bibia no ebe enkoye kwase ye be say why doesn't a Ghanaian football fan also have the right to believe adentia and any football
so I believe no wonyina so
be any rich
there should be in so
believer Chelsea
blasters now also mean believer no Oceani ja wontimi hye no Keved wontimi hye no the last AFCON I go went to cry nya qualification agobo bi
me say rich gidie na ya kan ni nyina no se wo team a obetimi ahya ene nka wo hia gidie o the world gidie no se ampa se wo team a obehya you don't need a belief. But the same individuals now. See a club footballer, we are different people. Your orientation is different. By my no, we become different people too. Why? Double standards. Bibia we start from the mind. Whether obetimi aya na wuntimi it start from the mind. That is the reason why I reach. Even when their football games are airbaswa, or be a clear favorite, that we still caution them against complacency. Complacency, the mindset. It will find for 4-4. So when you over show more, we tell you say because why do you know the tendency for you to lose focus and think you are done? We still caution you within the same mental framework. They say be very, very careful about complacency. Until they are only who ni say obetimi aye no. Say or say or man who GDA so obetimi aye. There is nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
BBA we are singing now. It starts from the mentality. Entika yenya qualify say Kobo World Cup no. Should we hold our hands in despair and say yeah, kwa mo bi akose ni abefiana? Yes, we can do that. There is no way we will do that. Yet 100,000 appearance fee. Ya book at the team Nako US. Ya go per camping base and yes, and it's no just for us to throw our hands in the space and say, Is that how you believe? No. I just had a mobra. Ya mobra sa. And to reach the blasters have every right to believe. They have every right to believe. Now, Madam Halusi, 10 seconds. I think that we've been able to correct the information. Information by na dodo na say ye call Virginia no. Baby a ye boy assassin no, and also university. Enti ekoba say yes you Carlos Correa the place look too open and easy. So obi be say ospire ahwe ane nipa ko na nya akoyenti. Ye moving ko baby a hoye obscure kakra a bad dream for obi to come and spy no. Once we were training on the university facility, a man for misled because already before even you ever walk up, you have to say Bright University. A base. The moment you heard, we are moving from the university facility to this United, a lot of the reporters, journalists who were misled to throw out the story. So you're moving from the Bright University facility to the DC, but and yes, I'm not here. Rich, all the official FIFA World Cup base, camping base, FIFA World Cup, it provide them every nation piano. And on the 12th of June, and every nation can move to their official camping base because as our time the FIFA started to hoka. And every country be a World Cup ni piano. Baby, omuye training sisiano are their own arrangements. And from 12 June, which is Ochinechi. And I will say, after Obia Muviako Babia, FIFA, I designate Yamani Pakose any training company. We should have the difference very, very clear.
Okay.
They have the right and accurate information.
Security brief intel. I said, those of us in the diaspora have more faith in the Black Stars compared to those in Ghana.
I'm telling you.
And I don't know why.
It is because, what diaspora, you have one football personality and orientation. Yeah, you Ghana, you are double. You back club, that is the difference.
Okay, infantry, I'm running off. I'm going to so, and from insurance for open fire.